How to improve YouTube thumbnail click rate. To improve your YouTube's thumbnail click rate, you simply have to practice the 5 steps to boost your CTR. First of all, avoid the bottom right watermark trap. YouTube automatically overlays a black timestamp watermark in the bottom right corner of your thumbnail across all mobile and desktop layouts. So never place your face, important text, or product logos in that corner. And also apply the 3-element rule. First of all, element number 1, a clear focal point, an expressive human face, or a clean product shot. And element number 2, a high contrast background. And element number 3 is a bold graphical text, hint, or an enticing visual prop. Then keep text under 4 words. And also try to maximize emotional expressions on contrast. And also execute an in-app taste and compare session using your desktop's YouTube Studio website. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.